the Bevis Producer 2 review demo and $5,397 bonus. Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from artofmarketingblack.com and this is the Bevis Producer 2 review and bonus. Now, I'm not sure if it's called the Bevis Producer 2 or 2.0, but whatever it is, we will review it, and this is a brand new product released by Tom E. Now, if you know Tom E, he's an amazing marketer and he always brings amazing new products to the market that are always proven to work by not only him and his partners, but also his students. Okay, so we have some massive proof behind it, and this is actually a product that was released 2 years ago, so we actually have 2 years of proof of people making thousands of dollars, even thousands of dollars per week. Okay, so I have a huge bonus to it as always, well over $5,000. So before I'm going to share my screen, smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe to this channel for more review videos just like this one. Let me share my screen. Let's jump into the Bevis Producer 2 review. And even before I'm going to show you the sales page, let me just tell you more or less what you're going to be doing. Okay, so in a nutshell, what you're going to be doing, you will be finding abandoned Facebook threads where people used to sell t-shirts or any other product really, and you will be taking over these threads for free and selling your stuff. So you can be selling t-shirts, you can be selling any digital product, anything you want. And the cool thing is that even with selling t-shirts, you can just outsource it all, which means that you don't have to actually physically touch anything. Okay, so this is just in a nutshell to tell you what it does. Now let me show you the sales page. So as you can see, it says they make $1,798 a week from other people's failures. Now this failure is this thread that you're gonna find it, and most of them are already abandoned, but the cool thing is that the traffic is still there, so you're gonna be overtaking these. Wheel of failure, every time we find a failure online, we turn it into $1,798 per week. Want in. So guys, let me just hit on some key points. So we have some massive proof behind this. As you can see, we have $300,000 in March, we have $321,000 in November. We have some massive proof behind it. So again, this is proof not just from Tom and Srijan and Nish, but also from their students. Okay, so these two guys actually came up with this method and used this method, and you're gonna see amazing proof from their students as well. Okay, so again, the Bevis Producer 2, that's the name of this new product. We have some more proof, tons of proof right here. 30 days money back guarantee, so absolutely no risk on your part. And that's essentially it. Go through all of this once it's live. But right now, let me show you the inside of the members area. Okay, so in a nutshell, this is a video course. Everything is in an over-the-shoulder format. And again, the whole method is about finding abundant Facebook threads with tons of traffic, but for whatever reason, the people that started the thread abandoned it, or maybe it didn't work for them, or maybe it used to work, but they already made all the money, so they just left it alone. And this is what you're going to be overtaking. So as you can see, we have the program overview right here. Then we have the Bevis method, online shop setup, because again, you will be selling essentially anything you want, but you will need an online store. Okay, so you can sell t-shirts, you can sell any physical product, you can sell any digital product, whatever you really want. Collecting payments, research using Facebook, so this is where you're going to be finding these abundant Facebook posts. Getting the designs made, so this is for t-shirts, or again, you can sell anything you really want. Mockup creation, designing, uploading and pricing, shipping rates, traffic sources, Instagram. You can also scale this up with Instagram, with a Facebook page. As you can see, Facebook page creation right here, Facebook setup and pixel setup, because if you really want to scale this up beyond belief, you can add Facebook ads to it, and these are retargeting ads, so you won't be paying hundreds of dollars per day or thousands of dollars per day. You will be retargeting people, which means essentially a few clicks per visitors. Okay, so we have Facebook ads right here, creating page posts, interest targeting, understanding ad performance, and finding a vendor, and also retargeting ads. Okay, so we have 3 different methods. We have method number 1, the tortoise method. Method number 2, we have the copycat method, and method number 3, we have the kangaroo method. You can use 1 or 2 or all 3, totally up to you. And then the last video is about customer service And that's essentially it. Okay, so again, this is a video course. Everything is in an over-the-shoulder video format. You can go through all of this in under 2 hours, start implementing this, and maybe even find your thread today, overtake it, start selling stuff and make money today and definitely this week. Okay, so again, this is backed by massive proof, not only from Tom, not only from his 2 partners, but from their students, and this is well over 2 years of proof. So this stuff absolutely works. Now let me show you all of the upsells and the pricing. Okay, so guys, the Bevis Producer will be under $15, so you can actually make this money back times 100 in your first week. Now we have a few one-time offers. So the Bevis Producer 2 OTO number 1 is a done for you pack. It is $37, and as you can see, this is for any users who are lazy. So you can twice the profits in half the time, done for you package. Here you're going to be getting all of the resources done for you. Okay, so done for you targeting, done for you products, done for you full sequences, done for you themes, and essentially you just have to plug and play it and make money. The Bevis Producer 2 OTO number 2 is a private mastermind group. Okay, so this is essentially group coaching, $97, daily direct coaching from Nish and Srijan, which are the 2 guys behind this whole product and this whole system. Then we have the Bevis Producer 2 OTO number 3, 4 weeks of live coaching sessions. Okay, so we have the group. Now this is live coaching, $197. And here you're gonna get live support, live sessions. These are in-depth, and obviously any of your questions will be answered right here. And the Bevis Producer 2 OTO number 4, license rights, $47. This allows you to sell this product and all the products in the funnel as your own. Keep 100% of the profits on the whole thing to yourself, including the more expensive upsells. Okay, so guys, these are the OTOs, and right now let me show you all of the bonuses I have in store for you, because I have well over $5,000 worth of bonuses. Now let me just tell you that the Bevis Producer 2 goes live at 11 a.m. Eastern on July 17th. If you want to get all of these bonuses I'm about to mention, all you have to do is just pick it up through my link, and I will send you all of the bonuses as a thank you. Now, to pick it up from my link, just click on one of these blue links if you are on my blog, or if you're watching on YouTube. The first link in the description will take you to my blog, and the second link in the description will take you directly to the sales page, but only after 11 a.m. Eastern on July 17th. So first of all, I'm going to give you free custom-made bonuses. These free custom-made bonuses are 3 different ways to generate traffic to your store. Okay, so this is custom-made especially for this promotion, and you're also going to get a bunch of additional software, arbitrage, and flipping courses. Okay, to make this so much more powerful. Okay, so first of all, you're going to get Storm. This is a piece of software all about arbitrage. You're gonna also get arbitrage high roller and lazy profit engine. Now I'm also going to give you a piece of software called Flipping Magic Pro. That's a piece of software that will help you flip things online. My top selling flipping course called Flip Me with the income booster and Flip Me reseller license. Also arbitrage sugar daddy, make $4.97 over and over and over again. Affiliate rebirth, tidal wave traffic, urgent arbitrage cash, easy arbitrage profits, blazed, huge traffic avalanche, a case study on free traffic, and a bunch of additional plugins and software. So what you're getting is Affiliate Advantage plugin, Giant plugin biz, sales page writing software, squeeze page creator, true tags, IX, Popbox, sales bar, shortcode, call to action, responsive slider, YouTube video gallery, Pinterest portfolio, post grid, post widget, courses plugin, client extractor, image grab, viral speed, action simulator, Facebook audience builder, instant publisher, pinbook, Sochi tracker, traffic hoover, Facebook traffic engine, and Facebook photo contest. Now that's a total of 54 bonuses, but on top of all this, you're getting my mega bonus. My mega bonus just recently got bigger, and it is now 116 W's of the day and product of the day awarded courses and products, and this means that the total value of this package is $5,397. This is a real world value. You would actually have to spend this much if you would get all of these separately, and if you would like to pay for these. Now some of these are not even available for sale, so you're getting all of this for free, again, just as a thank you for picking up the Bevis Producer 2 from my link. And again, just click on one of these blue links if you are right here on my blog. So right now, let's sum up this the Bevis Producer 2 review. You can capitalize on other people doing the work and you overtaking their Facebook threads. This is proven by actual users and they are making an average of $1,798 per week. No one else is really doing this. This is a super unique method, zero experience needed, obviously. This is scalable, so obviously, the Facebook ad module is included, and the top user made $200,000 in 5 months. So you can definitely scale this up beyond belief, saturation proof, you're getting a money back guarantee, and I really like this product because it's very unique. Now what I don't like about the Bevis Producer 2, it is arbitrage and e-commerce. Okay, so you do have to focus on this one thing. So this is not like another traffic method that you can add to what you're already doing. This is a completely separate method that you're gonna have to actually focus on if you want to see results. But with that being said, results are amazing and you can make tons of sales and a lot of money doing this. Okay, so guys, for the last time, 11 a.m. Eastern on July 17th is when the Bevis Producer 2 goes live. Make sure to pick it up from my link to get all of these bonuses I mentioned in this video. And let me show you how to claim my bonus after you will decide to pick it up through my link. All you have to do is go to the purchase history right here on Warrior Plus. So click on your icon with your name right here in the top right corner. Go to the purchase history, find the Bevis Producer 2, click on it, and you should see a button saying bonuses from Art. That's how you get it. You don't have to send me emails or receipts. It is all done for you automatically. Guys, if you have any questions, please leave me a comment. Please like this video. Please subscribe to the channel for more review videos just like this one. And I'll be seeing you shortly in the next review video. Ciao.